1981 all original CR250R Elsinore. So this has been in my family for a long time. It's been stored in a heated and air conditioned garage. It hasn't been run in a number of years, but we fired it up as you'll see in the video, and it starts on first or second kick, even after being stored all that long. But it's an excellent example of an all original bike. So I'm going to take you around so you can see it. It's got some wear on it like they would, but it's in beautiful shape, you know, for an 81. Pro Link suspension, everything's good on it. Got an extra tire I'll give with it as well, although this one's in pretty good shape. It's got all the original pipes on it. Seat's in really nice shape. Everything's clean on it. It had been stored properly. I don't think it's probably been run in 6 or 7 years, but there's no leaks in it. We put fresh fluids in it, and it's a really nice example. There's one dent in the rim, which is right there. It's got a little ding in it, but it doesn't lose air or anything. It's in really good shape.